with another online teaching tip as part of the Supporting Every Teacher campaign, which aims to help all of you teachers who are now teaching from home. Using the screen share function of an online platform will help transform your classes. It's a feature that allows your students to see what you have on your screen. So you can watch YouTube videos together, show presentations to your students, or do a reading activity as a class. And that's just a few things you can do. The combination of the internet, your personal resources, and the software that you have on your computer means the activities that you can do are endless. However, don't worry, your privacy is still in your hands. As host, you are in complete control of the function, turning it on or off when you wish. In addition to sharing your screen, you can opt to just share your audio, should you wish to do a listening activity, for example. One of my personal favourite mini features is that you can select to share just a portion of your screen. This allows you to further maintain your privacy, but teaching-wise means that you can show just part of an activity or show or cover part of an image or text. Students can also be asked to share their screen, providing a different way of getting feedback or checking homework. One important thing to remember is that sometimes screen sharing a video can use up a lot of bandwidth and affect quality. However, a simple way around this is just putting the link in the chat box so that the student can watch on their own device. This aside, screen sharing really is an essential tool that gives you the same potential as an interactive whiteboard does in a conventional classroom. Please remember that although we've used Zoom as our example today, this is a feature that's available on lots of online platforms. Before you go, I'd just like to remind you to click on the link below for more resources. And also, please subscribe to the channel and ask your students to as well. And I'll see you next time with another online teaching tip. See you later.